You're welcome. In this video, I'll show the demonstration of Python Turtle graphics programming. This is example 3. In this example, we'll understand how to draw circles, arcs, and how to generate a random colors and apply the color to the circles or the arcs. And we can generate different type of circles here in this program. So keep watch examples, learn how to write the Python programming and improve your skills. So you not yet watch the previous videos. In the description, all the links are provided. Please check them. So you can watch from the example 1, or you can also learn how to do programming in Python. So step by step and keep learn. Okay. So now we can see that you can generate different circles, arcs like this in this video. I'll just explain you the code step by step. So okay, you can see that I already started the idle. So this is a shell, Python shell, and I just opened the file, new file, and then we started with the. So we are importing turtle, comma random. So we want to generate the random numbers. We are also importing random. So two import we are doing. So one is turtle and one is the random. Then win turtle dot screen. So we want to create a screen. Then t is equal to turtle. So this is the instance of the turtle. Now small t indicate it is a turtle. So we'll refer the small t as a turtle here onwards. Now to generate a circle is very simple. Say a simple circle. And what is the radius? So let's say 100. So if you save this and if you execute this, run, that is F5. So you can get a circle will be drawn immediately. Now you want to see the pen size. So therefore t dot pen size is 2. Okay, increase the pen size. So the pen size is a little bigger now. So now you want to draw one more circle opposite to that. So then you can say that T right or left. So you can say left. So you have to turn 180-degree opposite. And then you can say circle again. Alright, so then we want to two more circle to be right. Then what you can do? So instead of 180, so we can take 90. And then we can repeat two more times. So once again. So save, press F5. Right, so you can generate 4 circles. So instead of that, we can use the for loop. For n in a range of 5. So we want 5 circles. So now you can see this. So this is left. Control S. So colon you have to place. Sorry. Colon. So now save and run. Okay, right. So you want more circles, then what you can do is you can change the circle left size here, 45. Okay, so even 8 is okay because it's totally 8. But you want to make it 30 degrees. Then you can give 12. Right, so let's create a beautiful structure like this. Now we want to fill some colors for this. So we want to fill some colors. What we can do is we can generate a random colors. So in order to generate the random colors, you can say C code, color code is equal to, I'll take a random dot random. So random dot random will give the value from 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. So this we want 3 times because RGB, this is R, this is a red color, this is a green, GB, R, red, green, blue. So the last one is a blue. So now 3 colors are generated. So here you can see T color, that is C code. So it will have the color code, so that it should generate the color for this. Then T begin fill, so you need to fill the circle. So here once circle is drawn, you have to close the end fill. But because this random is outside, so it will generate only once. So we want to generate every time. So we can paste it over there here. Right. So this is to generate the random color RGB, 3 colors. Now what happened? So you can see that the color is changed. Next color. So it generated different colors. But if you want only colors, same color, so instead of generating the colors here, we can just put the colors outside. Then this is the end fill. And T dot color code, instead of here we can put outside. Okay, in this case what happened? So it fill the color, but line color will keep changes. At the end, the whole picture will be filled with some color. So each time when you run, you will get a different colors. So assume that we don't want complete circle, but we want only arc. In that case, what we can do is, so arc with the different colors. So this I can remark it now. So we don't want to fill at the end. So here is circle. So you want to fill only comma 90. So only a small portion of this I want to draw. So then you have to this left. Okay, here we want only 4, so therefore 90. This is 180. And you have to draw one more arc. Okay, so here you can write 4. So 4 arcs can be written here. Okay, it's different then. I think now if you fill the colors, let me see what will happen. Nothing has happened. Okay. Now we want to fill inside the arc. Okay, so here you have to take 90 degrees. So you have to turn 90 degree. See what happens. Right. Okay, so here you need to multiply. So multiply with n because it should incrementing. Okay, so it's incrementing, but it's on the positive side only. So therefore, instead of left, you can use set heading. So keep change the heading. Okay, so now let's increase to 5. So that is 0. Okay, so we have to start from 1 actually. Fine. So instead of 5 or 0, you can start with the 1 because 0 multiplied with this becomes 0. It's run in the same location. So therefore, so you need to 1 comma 5. So we generate the arc. So like this, you can write beautiful programs. So keep try this. So therefore, you can keep improve this. You can design different graphics using the Turtle program. So we'll also learn how to use a Tinker and then use the Tinker framework. How do we do the graphics in the later stage? So keep learn, keep improve yourself, learn the Python thoroughly. Therefore, you'll have a better chance to get the good job. Thank you.